Today we're going to make a dip that is the easiest way to elevate so many different dishes, roasted garlic aioli. This is a really simple recipe. Start by chopping off the top of the entire head of garlic. You want all of those cloves exposed. You're going to place it in some foil, take a little bit of olive oil, and just drizzle that on the top so it gets into all those cloves. Sprinkle in a little bit of salt, and then wrap it up. We're gonna roast this in the oven for about an hour at 350 degrees.
You know your garlic is done when it's a little bit soft. Now, once our garlic is cooled down, we'll open it up. We're gonna squeeze out these cloves into a bowl. They should just pop out if you squeeze at the bottom of the head. You can chop these at this point, or you can mash them depending on the consistency you want your dip to have. I'm just gonna mash mine a little bit with a fork. Add in 3/4 cup mayonnaise. Salt and pepper to taste. I'm gonna do about a teaspoon of each. Tablespoon, maybe 2 of lemon juice, depending on the flavors that you want. Now you can leave it just like this at this point, or you can layer in some more flavors depending on what you're serving this with. You do hot sauce and cayenne for a little spice. You can do basil and rosemary and oregano. I'm just making a veggie tray, so I'm going to do a little parsley, chives, and rosemary. You're going to want to chill before serving, and this should last you about 7 to 10 days in an airtight container in the fridge. I thrifted this adorable floral dip dish the other week. Let's dish up and enjoy. We're going to sprinkle a little extra parsley on top just for show. And there we go. So good, and such an easy way to elevate something as simple as a veggie tray.